all that fun stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make this bow. The one that I put like on top of the Christmas tree, wreath, all that fun stuff. It's super simple. All you're gonna need is some ribbon with the sides that have the wire on the sides so it holds its shape a little bit better. Scissors, and you're gonna need either little ties like this or the floral like wire tape. Let's get started. First thing you're gonna do is cut the tail of the bow. Make a nice little. So you're going to hold one end like this, and you're gonna loop back on top. So what you're basically going to end up doing a figure 8. That's what you're going to do. So you'll probably go a little bigger actually. Pinch the center, but always back up on top of itself. Grab that, pinch the center. Another one, pinch the center. Grab it back on top of itself. And you're gonna want about 6 to 8 loops, so 3 to 4 on each side, looping back up and around, over on itself. Now I have 4 on each side. So now my next thing to do, I'm pinching here. Itself to make a little loop in the center. So we're starting from the bottom, up and over, and just slide that under your thumb. So you're basically pinching the whole thing. It's kind of like another little loop, but in the center. And then pull out a little tail somewhere, cut somewhere around the same. Then you're going to want to grab your wire, your twisty tie that I'm using. You're going to place that in the back or through the center of this little loop where you're pinching. And then twist it tight on the back so that it holds all that together. Now what you're going to do is take your little bow and then just kind of twist the little loops up, like so. You're gonna cut the last one through the tail so it looks like this. And then you can either add more wire through this loop to attach it to wreaths or the tree or, I don't know, even the camera stand. Thanks, and I hope you guys enjoy. Check out my Instagram at Brandi Devers and hashtag Built by Brandi.